The Razer Blade 15 is a popular gaming laptop that has been released in various configurations over the years. Here are some key features of the latest Razer Blade 15 model, as of November 2023. Processor, 13th Gen Intel Core i7 or i9 processor, 14-core, graphics, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series laptop GPU display, QHD 240Hz, FHD 360Hz, or UHD OLED 60Hz memory, up to 32GB DDR5 RAM storage, up to 2TB NVMe SSD cooling, vapor chamber cooling ports, Thunderbolt 4, USB-A, HDMI 2.1, Ethernet, and more other features. Chroma RGB lighting, Thanks spatial audio, Windows Hello IR camera, and more. The Razer Blade 15 is designed to provide high-performance gaming and computing capabilities in a sleek and portable form factor. It is available in various configurations to suit different needs and budgets.